Dogecoin, Doge basically is a mineable coin that is presently exchanged at $0.062234 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8.77709 when 354. That most certainly makes it a mid-position digital currency, which by and large is genuinely huge. Computerized resources like Dogecoin by and large have currently for the most part turned into the point of convergence of consideration, for the most part retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for enormous institutional financial backers who really see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a compelling by and large support against expansion, that takes a by and large weighty cost for the worldwide economy, which in every practical sense is very huge. Thusly, having essentially a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto sort of is for all intents and purposes an unquestionable necessity for any merchant and financial backer who fundamentally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in a significant manner especially. In any case, with it certainly comes the need to intently really follow the improvements on the expressed market to fathom what is going on, and certainly have some feeling representing things to come, or so they in every practical sense thought. This Dogecoin cost expectation model especially was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, for the most part track down the very best coins or tokens to in every way that really matters, put resources into, and basically keep the value bend filling in an unpretentious manner. Yet prior to digging into the inside and out Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to by and large help you to remember the kind of fundamental guidelines of digital money exchanging and speculation, which generally is very huge. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the midterm and genuinely long-haul cost expectation that depends on the readings of our sort of restrictive crypto unpredictability record, CVIX, in a for the most part huge way. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin basically remains at $0.062234, and this really specific computerized resource in every practical sense stands firm on the ninth foothold in the worldwide cryptographic money, especially positioning in an unobtrusive manner. For especially your data, the actual positioning of each and every cryptographic money by and large is vigorously dependent on its by and large current market capitalization and cost, and explicitly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most state-of-the-art data on the resource being referred to in an essentially huge manner. Likewise, to get an essentially better certainly handle of the market circumstance and fundamentally figure out the truly broad bearing of the pattern, or to enlist its non-appearance, it's likewise critical to truly dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in an unobtrusive manner. Yesterday, on September 15th, the cost of Dogecoin in every way that really matters remained at $0.062066 at the end of the kind of day-to-day exchanging meeting, which is a 0.65% contrast when contrasted with the by and large current cost 7 days prior. On September 9th, the Dogecoin market remained at $0.063648 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which especially is genuinely critical. As the outcome, the cost moved by 0% corresponding to its truly present standing. A month prior, on August 16, Dogecoin sort of was estimated at $0.067206, which generally harmonized with our cost expectation for that especially specific period in an unobtrusive manner. Contrasted with the very present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 7.38% cost move in a kind of huge manner. At the point when it basically comes to digital currencies, market capitalization serves kind of more as a sign of the coin's offer or strength, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its especially generally speaking prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an exceptionally significant manner. Numerous digital currency dealers view market capitalization as a truly key marker to for the most part be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, or so they for the most part thought. It is determined by duplicating the especially all-out number of coins that really are right now available for use, coursing supply, by the kind of current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now truly remains at $0.062234 in an unobtrusive manner. Considering that equation, we have determined the sort of current market capitalization of Dogecoin to generally be at $8.77709 when 354. which legitimizes its place as the ninth coin among those present on the digital money market in a very enormous manner. Yesterday, on September 15, the market capitalization of Dogecoin generally remained at $8.750 when $856,684. Keep going week. On September 9, the by and large aggregate sum of genuinely capital committed to Dogecoin really was laid out at $8,969,800,246. The information from a month prior, enrolled on August 16, basically shows that Dogecoin certainly had a market capitalization of $9,450,365,478, which is very critical. Absolute stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that basically have previously been mined, printed, or generally made, and in every practical sense, are either coursing available or secured in designers or alternately holders' kind of cool wallets, or so they generally thought. The very complete stockpile likewise considers any coins that generally have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a solid expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. It can in a real sense measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that most certainly is public on the financial exchange, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The sort of complete inventory of Dogecoin at present explicitly remains at 141,032,836,384 Doge, or so they essentially thought. As currently made sense of, the coursing supply certainly is the most usually involved truly metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which generally shows that very numerous digital currency brokers view market capitalization as a very key pointer to truly be considered prior to going with exchanging choices a very enormous way. It relates with the particularly the best estimation of the genuinely generally speaking number of coins that certainly are public on digital currency trades and truly add to their liquidity incredibly. Their volume doesn't actually incorporate the coins that in a real sense are vested, marked in truly savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or really put unavailable for general use, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coursing supply in every practical sense is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting inventory of offers in the securities exchange, so Dogecoin, Doge basically is a mineable coin that really is as of now exchanged at $0.062234 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8.77709 when 354. That makes it a mid-position digital money. At this moment, the coursing supply of Dogecoin essentially is assessed at 141,032,836,384 Doge, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can explicitly assist one generally with deciding much better section and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the guidelines of specialized examination, huge cost moves, pattern inversions, or combinations frequently happen at the cost levels that essentially are joined by generally high volume, since those especially are the volumes where enormous cash really had certainly become possibly the most important factor, showing how at the present